Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson VR2. This bike promises to combine classic Harley charm with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes the VR2 stand out in the crowded cruiser market. Design and aesthetics. First up, the design. The VR2 showcases a sleek, modern aesthetic while retaining the iconic Harley silhouette. With sharp lines and a more aerodynamic profile, it's clear that Harley is aiming for a younger audience. The new color options, including metallic finishes and matte choices, give riders plenty of customization opportunities. Performance and engine. Now, let's talk performance. The VR2 is powered by an all-new 1250cc Revolution Max engine, delivering an impressive 150 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque. This engine not only provides exhilarating acceleration but also offers better fuel efficiency than previous models. The balance of power and efficiency makes the VR2 perfect for both city commuting and long-distance cruising. Technology features. One of the standout features of the VR2 is its advanced technology. The bike comes equipped with a full-color TFT display, providing real-time data and navigation. Additionally, it features smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access music, calls, and GPS with ease. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with advanced rider assistance systems including cornering ABS and traction control. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is key for any motorcycle, and the VR2 doesn't disappoint. With an adjustable seat height and ergonomic riding position, this bike is designed for long rides. The suspension system has also been upgraded, offering improved handling and a smoother ride on various terrains. Conclusion. So, is the 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 worth the hype? With its blend of modern technology, impressive performance, and iconic design, it certainly seems to be a strong contender in the cruiser segment. Whether you're a lifelong Harley fan or new to the brand, the VR2 deserves a test ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit the bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.